structured very well. It's casual. You do get face time with people you need to see, and things get done.
Close to the financial district and close to Wall Street. So this is the global financial place. Everything is going to happen here.
It is a well-organized conference that is well attended. It's also compact. It starts in the morning, it ends in the evening. It's good to have a conference where you can come in and in one day be done with the entire program.
Glad to see that there's more healthcare, pure IT tracks here.
The level of not only presenting companies, but also attendees is so much higher than a lot of the summits I've attended. I really think it's money well spent.
A great opportunity to monitor how the landscape is evolving, and then to actually identify potential targets for investment.
There are other stakeholders present, like venture capital groups, who are willing to invest in early stage companies.
So we have $800 million under management. We're in our 7th fund now, just raised $250 million and actively investing.
We're investing out of our 3rd fund right now, which is a little bit more than $300 million.
About $45 million under management.
$250 million.
$900 million under management.
Around $1 billion today in capital.
$300 billion under management.
$80 million biomedical fund.
Considerations less than $500 million.
In active management, about $2 billion.
120-some million in committed capital.
We're actively investing currently out of our $650 million fund.
The ability to sort of just interact naturally with the venture community is incredibly helpful.
There's some great companies here.
The rooms are full in terms of the presentations.
I'm Jay Strum. I'm the President and Chief Scientific Officer of G0 Therapeutics. We're focused on bone marrow protection.
Plex is a 4-year-old biopharmaceutical company. We're here this morning to share and prepare for our upcoming $4 million Series B financing.
There are so many excellent companies with great technology.
Baydal Pharmaceuticals. And we're looking for $35 million to take our small molecule compound targeted at alcohol use disorder to approval in 2015.
I find this conference to be one of the better venues for early stage companies. The entrepreneurs are very passionate about what they do here.
Track record of capital efficiency, focus, and achievement. What we hope is to find a partner who is excited to join Battelle Ventures and our team to really create a new gold standard in the pharmaceutical industry.
There's great networking opportunities with excellent companies for both investment but also just to learn. It's a little bit like speed dating, and you get a really great snapshot of a lot of different things, a lot of strong connections to be made.
It's very constructive. It's a venue that really does promote opportunity for networking. I think the organizers take great care to make sure there's enough time to do that.
More so than many of the other conferences that I've seen, allows sufficient time for people to network. The breaks are simply bigger, the presentation a little bit perhaps more succinct.
It's a good way to network, to reach out to potential investors. Excellent venue, and the catering is pretty good too.
Really enjoyed having the opportunity to network with everyone, and they do a great job of making that a priority at this conference.
The turnout is outstanding. There's a broad number of companies at various stages of development.
There's a limited number of participants, so it really allows us to get to know some of the investors a little better. And so there's been no shortage of people to talk to from Big Pharma interested in doing earlier deals.
The VC panels I thought were actually really good. Moderators asking great pointed questions and getting some really great feedback from the VCs.
It's always good to do a real fast executive summary at the very beginning.
Congratulations. To try and pitch something in 7 minutes, most elevator rides are longer than that.
And packaging in that format is perhaps one of the things that allows you to organize a meeting in a way that allows enough time for people to talk to each other.
The interactions will definitely give me more insight into how to move the company forward.
Almost like spring training in the sense that there's so many other people doing such excellent presentations. It's a way of upping your game.
All the companies that I saw today as a presenter, I thought were fantastic.
And I have sent invitations to colleagues who I see here today.
I recommend this specific event for a company that's trying to get exposure to a large number of venture capitalists at the same time.
I would certainly recommend it if you're in the VC space / life science space, either as a service provider, an entrepreneur, or an investor. This is the place to be.